Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you top 10 best deck with gazebo design ideas and tips to elevate your outdoor living space deck with perfect gazebos. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. As renowned design professionals, we at Homes Decor Designs understand the allure of transforming your backyard into a personal oasis. When it comes to maximizing outdoor enjoyment, few combinations offer more versatility and charm than a deck with a gazebo. This harmonious pairing extends your living space seamlessly, creating a designated zone for relaxation, entertainment, and alfresco dining. But before embarking on this exciting project, several key questions deserve thoughtful consideration. Let's delve into the intricacies of creating an exceptional deck with a gazebo design, addressing vital concerns and inspiring you with innovative ideas. Is it okay to put a gazebo on a deck? Absolutely. In fact, combining a deck with a gazebo unlocks a plethora of benefits. Here's why. First, enhanced functionality. The gazebo becomes a sheltered haven, offering protection from sun, rain, and wind, allowing year-round use of your deck. Second, aesthetics. A well-designed gazebo adds architectural interest and defines distinct areas within your outdoor space. Third, privacy. Screened gazebos provide a secluded retreat for intimate gatherings or quiet moments. Fourth, remember, local building codes might have regulations regarding deck and gazebo construction. Always consult with local authorities before starting your project. What is the best shape for a gazebo on a deck? The ideal shape depends on your deck's layout, personal preferences, and intended use. Here are some popular options. First, square or rectangular, a classic choice, offering ample space for furniture and gatherings. Second, octagonal, adds an elegant touch, providing comfortable seating arrangements. Third, round, creates a charming, intimate atmosphere, perfect for smaller decks. Consider incorporating built-in seating, storage benches, or a fireplace within your gazebo for added functionality. Which one is suitable for my deck, gazebo or pergola? Both gazebos and pergolas offer distinct advantages. The gazebos is enclosed structures with a roof, providing shade, shelter, and privacy. And pergolas is open-air structures with a lattice roof, offering partial shade and creating a more open feel. So, choose a gazebo if you desire a fully enclosed space for year-round use. Opt for a pergola if you prefer a lighter, airy ambience and enjoy basking in the sun occasionally. What size gazebo do I need for my deck? The optimal size depends on your deck's dimensions and desired use. Here's a general guideline. First, small decks, 100 to 150 square feet, gazebos up to 8 foot by 8 foot offer a cozy retreat. Second, medium decks, 150 to 250 square feet, gazebos between 10 feet by 10 feet and 12 feet by 12 feet provide comfortable space for gatherings. Third, large decks, 250 plus SQ feet opt for spacious gazebos of 14 feet by 14 feet or larger to accommodate bigger groups and activities. Ensure the chosen gazebo leaves enough clearance on your deck for comfortable movement and access points. And to complete your inspiration, here are these top 10 best deck with gazebo design ideas. 1. Modern retreat, sleek lines, hidden fasteners, and integrated lighting create a contemporary haven. 2. Rustic charm, natural wood, stone accents, and a hanging lantern evoke a cozy outdoor living room. 3. Tropical oasis, lush greenery, a thatched roof, and woven furniture transport you to paradise. 4. Mediterranean escape, whitewashed wood, terracotta tiles, and bougainvillea bring a touch of Santorini to your backyard. 5. Zen sanctuary, minimalist design, calming water features, and natural textures create a tranquil space for meditation. 6. Entertaining hub, spacious gazebo with built-in bar, outdoor kitchen, and comfortable seating for festive gatherings. 7. Romantic hideaway, cozy corner gazebo with plush cushions, fireplace, and twinkling fairy lights for intimate evenings. 8. Playful paradise, treehouse-inspired gazebo with rope bridge, swings, and climbing structures for kids' adventures. 9. Poolside relaxation, gazebo adjacent to the pool, offering shade, lounge chairs, and refreshing beverages. 10. Stargazing haven, retractable roof gazebo with comfortable seating and skylights for breathtaking celestial views. Remember to research, browse online inspiration, and consult with professionals to determine the perfect deck with a gazebo design for your unique needs and preferences. By thoughtfully blending a deck with a gazebo, you unlock a world of possibilities, transforming your backyard into a versatile and stylish haven. Embrace the outdoors, create lasting memories, and elevate your living space with this timeless design combination. Visit our YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs, for more inspiring deck and gazebo design ideas, expert advice, and DIY tutorials. Let's transform your outdoor space into a haven of relaxation and entertainment. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best deck with gazebo design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.